I got it. Wow. Look. Are you doing the juicing? What? Oh, that's so cool. Open it. Why are you breathing like that?
I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here.
Oh, wow. You want to go in there?
How do I get out of here? How do I get out of here? I don't know where I'm at. What is going on? Are you real?
No,
Are you real?
I'm not real.
Are you real?
I'm in a simulation.
Oh my gosh. I need a ponytail. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, look. This says don't touch. Cooper is working on it. First thing you do is touch it.
Guidance goes on unlimited. It hurts, but it also feels kind of good.
It literally says exit right
Oh,
here.
bongos. Excuse me? Yeah. I don't know.
I'm done. No. Oh wow, it's a sound room.
Alright, let's go.
I have been using my business for a decade. You know what?
I guess they're all real. They just don't look like. Oh, wow. Is there a theory?
Dedicated to my radio family.
Hi from everybody. He's listening to music.
When the room was getting all slimy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it has steps.
Slime.
Oh, I like this. I like this. Hey,
Oh, wow.
keep saturating the
It's your exit. It's your exit. You gotta exit. The only thing that's exit is a refrigerator. We'll go in there last.
Oh my goodness.
We'll go in there last. Wow. This feels crazy. It feels crazy. Oh, look. Backrooms, baby. Backrooms.
Oh my.
Oh, okay, we did it. Oh, wow, look. It's the mouth of it. Shelly. It's the mouth of it. Get it, Luke. No, y'all are fine. Y'all know that I'm gonna come around. Oh, D got his video games.
Let me see.
I've been seeing people go in there the whole time.
I'm a little scared. You got it? It's track Corona, that does look like Corona. Is this what rain? Does this look like we're in steps? This is what the Stranger Things
This thing is on.
What did you just... What are you doing?
That's you.
I love it. Are you controlling that? Right? Don't you feel like this is almost no, this is not as scary. Oh, this is a handicap exit, so this might be.
Oh no.
I think you can touch it.
Monday, October 21st. Free.
Yeah, like, scoot in the middle. Go ahead. I'm like feeling like, oh, I don't want to record everything, but I have to. Whoa. Wait. That's the door that ain't even a door. Hold on, because Daddy's gonna go somewhere else.
No, I'm just looking.
Hey, let the man explore.
That's a freezer door.
Together. Because y'all love, we got love last time we got scared.
We did?
But then y'all went to the club, so we weren't scared no more. Mountown, we in Louisiana.
Oh, this is where you saw your cowboy dragon.
Oh, wait, there's a wood door that you can just. Oh, exit to lobby right here.
Oh shit, we never seen this. Oh, it's rocks. Oh,
I know, but Daddy's exploring.
yeah. I bet you we're gonna leave and they're gonna be like, oh, you missed and you missed and you missed and you missed.
Find and seek.
No.
Wait, what is it?
No.
It's not find and seek. Wait, what is it again?
Seek and hide.
Wait, what is it?
I didn't see.
There we go.
No, we're already exiting.
You wanna play seek and find?
Wait, seek and find.
Wait.
Oh, right to the gift shop. Hey,
Hide and seek.